welcome everyone. Thank you for spending part of your Friday morning with Margaret and me, Brittany, as we talk about promotions and coupons and promotion sets and some of the best practices around that and some cool ideas for holiday as well. So we'll have some good examples of some stuff that you might want to use. So we're going to get started here. So first of all, we're going to be talking about today promotions versus coupons, promotion sets, and then some holiday inspired examples. And in Commerce7, we have two types of discounts. There are promotions and coupons. And promotions are discounts that automatically apply regardless of sales channel. So if that customer and or their order matches the criteria that you've set up for that particular promotion, it's going to automatically apply. So whether they're online, whether it's in POS, whether it's for a club package or an inbound admin order, that promotion is going to auto apply and you'll see it applying there in the order. Coupons, on the other hand, require an action. So if it's an online coupon, it's going to require a code that needs to be put in by the customer. If it is in one of the other sales channels, POS, club package, inbound admin order, then that's going to require the admin or the person that's in Commerce7 to actively choose that coupon to apply to the order. So that's the main difference between those two. Whoops, let me get back to where I was there. And as far as promotion sets go, the way that discounts work in Commerce7 is if there is a customer or an order that is eligible for more than one promotion and or coupon, then only the one that is going to give the highest benefit is going to apply to that order, only one. So there are going to be times where you probably want multiple promotions and or coupons to apply to one order. For instance, if it is a club member and they get their customary 20%, and that's a promotion, they always get that. But then you have, a special, an extra special coupon happening or an extra special promotion that you also want to apply to those club members' orders, then you would use a promotion set. And so we'll talk about how to create those as well. So let's head over into Commerce7 and we'll create a couple of things here that we can then look at for real life examples. So I'm on the dashboard here, going to head over to the store, and I'm going to head over into the promotions tab. And you'll see up here that we do have a little quick menu. So you can hop over to your coupons page, hop to your promotions page, or hop to your promotion sets page. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to create a promotion that is going to be for folks who are last minute gift shoppers. And they are like, oh my goodness, I forgot to get a gift for, Aunt Nancy. And oh, let me go to my favorite winery and get her some wine. Well, it may not make it there in time with ground shipping. So we're going to create a promotion that will encourage folks to put more bottles in their cart and they will get expedited shipping for a discount. So we're going to, pardon me, going to create our promotion. We're going to call it, Holiday Expedited Shipping. And actually, I'm going to make this complimentary. So I'm feeling very generous. Complimentary Holiday Expedited Shipping, a very long title. Start date is going to default to the date that you're creating this promotion. You can obviously make it in the future if you're doing this in advance. End date, for this one, I don't want to be sending out anything after the 21st. So end date of the 21st. You have a choice of product discount or shipping discount. In this case, it's going to be a shipping discount because it's going to be on expedited shipping. Who do I want to be eligible for this? All customers, people in specific clubs, or folks with specific tags? In this case, I want everyone to be able to take advantage of this. So I'm doing all customers. We have several kinds of shipping discounts here. You can do free shipping, which is what I'm going to be using eventually here. But I also want to show you the percentage off. For instance, if I want to be 50% off of the expedited shipping, I would have put a 50 in here. Dollar off would be, put $20 in here and it'd be $20 off of that expedited shipping. Or a flat rate. It's going to be, $25 flat rate expedited shipping. You could use that. But in this case, again, I'm feeling very generous with the holiday season. So I'm going to do free shipping. Is it going to apply to all shipping services or only specific shipping services? In this case, it's just my expedited shipping service that I just created here. So I'm going to choose that one. You can choose multiple here. If I also wanted, the Texas FedEx 2-day to also be in there, I could add that as well. In this case, it's just this one. Here's an action message that will show online. And there it is, complimentary expedited shipping on 6+ bottles, because I'm going to put that limitation on here as well. Requirements, you can base it on the subtotal. You can base it on quantity, or you can have no requirement at all. It'll just apply. But I do want it based on a minimum order quantity of 6. And then down here, you have the must purchase specific products to qualify. In this case, no, any bottles at all is going to count toward that 6 bottles that will get that expedited shipping for free. I'm going to save this promotion. And there it is. So let's go take a look at it. I'm going to log in to the front end here. I'm going to go shop. And I'm going to put 6 of these in my cart. Okay, cool. Now, one thing I want to point out, you'll see down here, because I'm logged in and because I'm a club member, the club 20% off all purchases that I already have in there, that promotion is automatically applying here. Because again, it's a promotion. And I haven't chosen that specific shipping, the expedited shipping method yet. So that's why this is showing here. I'm going to proceed to checkout. And I'm going to go to my delivery tab here because I want to take advantage of that free shipping. When I continue payment, you'll now notice that my club 20% off promotion has gone away, because my complimentary holiday expedited shipping gives me the higher benefit. So it's going to trump the one that doesn't have the higher benefit. So you see now that it kind of replaces it, gives the customer the best possible deal. So that's how that guy works. We're going to go ahead and purchase this, place that order. Fantastic. The order is complete. Going to head back into Commerce7 here. And the next thing I want to talk about, we're going to kind of go over into promotion sets here, because I want to talk about what just happened, that it replaced. But what if I wanted my club members to get not only their 20% off that they always get, but I also want them to be able to take advantage of this free shipping for expedited orders. So in that case, I want to create a promotion set, and I want to put both of those promotions in the same promotion set so that when the person that club member goes on there, they'll be able to get both. So let's head into the promotion set. So we're going to call this Holiday Club. Add a promotion set. And this is where you choose promotions and or coupons. You can mix and match. You can have coupons combined with promotions. That's totally fine. You can have multiple. It doesn't have to just be 2. You could have, 3 or 4 in there if you want all of them to apply. Totally fine. But in this case, it's 2 promotions. So I'm going to choose my complimentary holiday promotion that I just created. I'm also going to grab my club 20% off all purchases. So now if my order qualifies for everything in here, it's going to give me both. So let's again go take a look at that. I'm going to save that promotion set. Heading in here, going to shop. And we're going to do 6 of these guys. Add to cart. And again, down here, we just see that 20% off so far because we haven't chosen that the expedited shipping yet. So I'm going to go to delivery, going to choose my expedited shipping. And voila, we now see both applying. So that is a promotion set working in the wild there. You can see how they work together and both will apply. All right, back into Commerce7. We're now going to talk about a coupon. So we're going to do a flash sale. And so with the coupon, with a flash sale, we want to convey 2 things. We want to convey urgency, get in there quick because they're going to go quick. And secondly, we want to make sure that it is a steep enough discount that it's going to really, really get people in there. Like it's scarce and you got to do it quick because it's this incredible deal. So I'm going to create a coupon that is called, let's see, we're going to call this Flash Sale 2022. Need to come up with a code, and the code is going to be Flash 2022. I'm going to make this on product because specifically I want to move some of my cab. I thought, what a great way to do this. So I'm going to do the product discount. Start date again is today. I'm going to leave end date open and we'll find out why in a second. We have customers, again, all customers, specific clubs, specific tags. I want this available to all customers. This is going to be 50% off, 50% off, which is a nice deep discount that should really, really perk people's ears up and go, oh, that's something to consider. We are going to do it for specific products because, like I said, I need to move my cab. So I'm going to just do it for the Cabernet. The action message is order 12 and receive 50% off. So they must order 12 of these cabs to get the 50% off. And then requirements, it's going to be based on quantity. It's going to be based on a minimum of 12. And in this case, I do want to go ahead and check this box because I want to make sure that it's 12 of the cab, not 12 of everything, 12 of only the cab before they can get the 50% off of the cab. All right, now the other thing that we're going to do here for our flash sale is up here on this far right column here. First of all, I'm not going to add this to a promotion set. Obviously, it's already a huge discount, so no. But down here, we do want to limit the usage. Do we want to limit it per customer? Do we want to limit it per store? In this case, it's per store because I only want the first 25 people taking advantage of this to actually get it. Once it hits that 25 threshold, then there will be a if someone if number 26 goes in there and tries to use the code, there will be a customer friendly message that just basically says, sorry, you're you're out of luck. But yeah, for these first 25, they will be able to take advantage of it. And you'll see now that's why I don't need the end date, because once it hits the 25, it's done. We are going to save this guy and we're going to take a look at what it looks like. So we're going to shop. We're going to head over to the cab. We're going to get 12 of them because that is my threshold. We are going to proceed to checkout. Oh, you know what though? Actually, I wanted to I wanted to do something else. Let me first of all place my order here. All right, let's do this one more time. Okay, here we go. Nice clean cart. And 12 of those. Now down here again, you'll see my 20%, right? Because that's what I always get, that I'm a club member. I'm going to proceed to checkout. And now when I enter my code, we're going to say flash 2022, apply. And you'll see it replaced it with this flash sale. And now I'm getting the 50% off of my Cabernet. So that is how that would work. Now, obviously, I know that a lot of wineries have sensitivity. I know that we did when I worked at a winery. We had sensitivity to doing any sort of, sale on the product itself. But know that you could do this. You may have stemware, you may have t-shirts, you may have corkscrews, you may have all kinds of things that you could do a flash sale with, that you could get kind of creative and just get people excited about, being the first ones in there to get it. All right, so that is those. I do also want to talk about where we apply these. In other words, in different channels. We've only looked at online now and how they're applied online. But I also want to show you if you're in, for instance, an inbound order. So for instance, if I'm in this one, where you would see it is over here on the right. So you see here, again, it's me. So I am in a club. Therefore, we see my automatic promotion applying there. And that's where you'll see that. I can also add a coupon. And this is, again, you're taking coupons, you have to take action. And in this case, it's the admin that's taking action. You would just search for whatever coupon it is, and then it would apply to the order. Also, want to show you that in clubs, if we go into a club package here and down at the bottom, oh, whoops, no, I actually don't. What am I doing here? I want to go back into packages. Let's go into the Fancy Case Club. Okay, so here I am. I'm in an active package. And down at the bottom here, this is where you would choose any coupons to apply to this particular package. Again, you're not going to see promotions here, because if the club member is, or the orders that are being generated is eligible for any of the promotions, those are automatically going to apply. But if you want any additional coupons to apply, you would choose that. Also, make sure that if you have a coupon that you want to apply along with any automatically applying promotions, make sure that you put those in a promotion set so that those both will apply in the resulting club orders. And then I also want to show you over in POS what it would look like. Move our beautiful faces here. There we go, POS. And if I were, for instance, to add some Cabernet over here, let's actually go ahead and add 12 of those guys, save item, and we could add a customer or not add a customer, but down here, this is where you would add a coupon and flash sale, apply that coupon, and you'll see now it's being applied. So just know that you can apply these coupons in any of the sales channels. Back in the admin panel, just one final thing that I really, really want to impress upon you is to test. Make sure that you test these before you send out, the campaign that tells everybody, oh, here's the coupon. Several times. And in fact, I did it myself exactly once when I was at a winery, and I sent out a campaign and didn't properly test. And then my email's blowing up because and the phones, because the coupon wasn't working. So just make sure that, it's easy to do. Just put yourself into whatever group it is that is eligible, and go and test it out and make sure that the results are what you expect them to be. That's what I have. Margaret, what am I missing?
I don't think you're missing anything in particular. That was a great overview of what is possible with coupons and promotions for sure. So I always love your demos, Brittany. Great job.
Oh, well, thank you. Do we have any questions that we need to address?
We do, yeah. Well, we have 3 questions that I just want to go over that I've already answered in the chat here in the Q&A, but I'm just going to kind of talk through them so everyone else has the answers as well. So Heather was asking, is there a way to hide certain coupons on the POS side? So in that little smart coupon section that populated there for you, it's not possible to restrict coupons by channel at this time, but I have noted that as a feature request per Heather's request, and we'll review that internally. And then her second question here was, they do a promotion for club members that order between 1 and 11 bottles, and then a higher promotion for 12 or additional bottles. When they're setting up their promotion with complimentary shipping on 6+ bottles, can they include all 3 of those in one promotion set, or would they need to be 2 separate promotion sets? So that's a great question. Basically, the way the system will work is it will look at how many bottles are in the cart and it will apply the appropriate discount. So as long as the 2 product promotions are set to be within 1 and 11 bottles and then 12 bottles plus respectively, then the system will never apply both, because you can't have both 11 and 12 bottles in the cart at the same time. They'll cancel each other out. And then basically whenever someone has those 6 bottles within their cart, at that point, the free shipping would apply. So you can most definitely have all 3 of those in the same promotion set. And if you have any issues with that, please just let us know. We can kind of help troubleshoot. That should never be a problem, but we can definitely work with you on that if it is causing trouble. And then Allison, there's a question. If I want a club case promotion to apply to members buying 12+ bottles, how would I do that? So we can kind of walk you through that quickly here, but if you don't mind, if you want to help over to the promotion section.
Yes, ma'am.
So Allison, I'm just going to clarify that right now we'll set this up as a promotion. So if any club member was buying 12 bottles, whether they were in the tasting room or whether they were on the website, they would still get the same discount. But if you wanted this to only apply to a club package or a club purchase, you would use a coupon, as Brittany has described. So the coupon would be something you could restrict to the club channel only, and then you wouldn't share that code evidently with your customers to use on the front end. This would just be something you apply to your club package. But right now we'll set this up as a promotion, as if the scenario is that your customers were able to purchase 12 bottles and receive a discount for that purpose. So we'll just walk through adding one together.
All right. So yeah, wait, sorry. What are we doing?
We're doing 12 plus bottles. We'll do we'll do a 15% discount on 12 or more bottles.
Okay, 12 plus bottles, 15% off. And so there's going to be a product discount. And
amazing. And then we'll do it applicable to specific clubs.
Got it.
So this will only allow club members who are members of this particular club to have access to this promotion. And we'll leave it at all frequencies for now. And the discount would be 15%.
15.
And then again, as Brittany kind of outlined in her demo here, you can isolate this to specific products or specific collections, departments if you'd like to. But for now, just for a general product discount on 12 bottles, we'll just leave it at the store.
All right.
And then, so based on quantity, we'll go to the requirements at the bottom here. And then the minimum will be 12 here. So basically from there, you would have your 15% off discount that would apply on all club member purchases, 15 bottles or more. And then a follow-up question for Allison here is, and that would stack on top of their normal club discount. So if you wanted this to stack on top of it, you would use a promotion set. So you would include the regular club discount and then the 12 or more bottle discount as well. And we also have a documentation article that outlines how multiple discounts are applied on the same order. So we will calculate percentage based first, then flat rate, and then dollar off discounts, I believe. But that's all outlined in our documentation article. If you search multiple promotions and discounts, you'll see a breakdown of exactly how we apply in that scenario. So essentially just keep that in mind, because sometimes if there's a higher percentage based discount over a dollar off discount, they might not apply it how you're exactly anticipating them to, but you can always work it in the way to make it that way. But just keep that in mind. But yes, to stock them, they would need to be in a promotion set. Otherwise, the system will give the customer the highest discount that they're eligible for. Another question here. If I wanted to have a coupon code for both club and non-club members, would I make 2 different codes? Not necessarily. I think it would be fine to create a coupon for all customers and then give that coupon out to everybody. I think that'd probably be the easiest way to go about that. But if there was a specific group of non-club members, like say they had a lifetime value of over $5,000 and you wanted those people to be eligible for it, I would create a tag for the club members and for that customer group. So depending on how you want to segment those customers and which customers exactly you're trying to market to, either a tag or creating the same coupon code would work for that scenario. And I'm happy to talk with you further about that too if you have additional questions on that. Next, I noticed promotions and coupons only have end dates and not times. Is this a feature that's coming? That is a great feature request, Brittany. And I've actually never heard that feature request. So I'm liking that idea. And I think that'd be really great. We would likely have to base that off of the time zone in your settings. So if you're selling across continents, you'd have to keep that in mind as well. But we can definitely talk to our team about that. I love that idea.
That's a great idea.
Mm-hmm. I'm just jotting that down. Thank you for your insight on that. Next question here. Can you do shipping coupons on specific products? And if not, is this something in the works? So basically the way that shipping promotions or coupons will work is they apply on the whole cart. So they can require certain products to be eligible on that order. So say someone needs to purchase a particular item to receive this discount, that would be something that you can use as a trigger. However, that will apply on the shipping cost for the whole order. So it wouldn't necessarily be it doesn't apply to the specific product, but to the whole cart as a whole and to the shipping cost that's on that cart. So basically that's the long answer to your question, is that you can use particular products to trigger shipping promotions, but you can't exclude the shipping promotion if additional products are added or things like that. It gets a little bit complicated since you're just discounting the shipping charge. Shipping is not allocated based on product. So just technically it would not work that way. Awesome. That's all that I have in the Q&A right now at the moment. But I'll wait just a couple more minutes because there's usually 1 or 2 more that come through.
I do want to, just as we're waiting here for any other questions, take you over to the support tab. We do, as Margaret mentioned, we definitely have a lot of documentation regarding promotions. This one in particular is all encompassing. It's one that I recently created, and there's short videos in each section. So depending on what, like if you're like confused about promotion sets, hop down to the promotion set video and section, and it goes into detail about that. So just know that that resource is out there, and it's just, yeah, it's been a great addition because oftentimes we just need to know, one little like, wait, what? How does that work? And there it is. You can hop right to it.
Awesome. Yeah, thanks, Fran. Do you have the how multiple are applied on that doc specifically, or is that one just isolated to the other one?
Don't know. I honestly don't know if it's it was a little bit ago when I created this, so I'm not sure, but
okay. Do you want to search just multiple discounts? Okay, yeah. So on this link here, yeah. So when multiple are applied to the same order, this is how we'll do it. So it'll be percentage off first. If there are multiple percentage off discounts, it'll be alphabetical order, and then dollars off discounts are next. Multiple, it will be alphabetical order, and then flat rate discounts are calculated last. So if you're running into issues with why something's not applying the way that you expect, I always refer back to this doc, just so you understand how it works on the technical side of things from our development team.
And I'll go back and check the kind of that master article and make sure that this is included after this call, just to
Beautiful.
that
You're
it's
the
there.
best. Thank you. Awesome. So there's no other questions here, but as always, thank you, Brittany. Thank you, everyone on the team, or everyone who joined to listen here today.
Yeah.
I'll close it up.
Thanks, everybody, and we'll see you next time.
Awesome. See you later.
Bye.